Okay, I am now recording. We are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 seconds into the recording. So the information that I have, someone suggested that I do a session about Summer Wells. So I researched the name, found out she's from our neighbor, Tennessee. 5-year-old, 4 foot tall, blonde hair. She was last seen wearing a pink shirt, gray pants, and some have said she was potentially barefoot. Her parents are Don and Candace Wells. She disappeared on June 15th. She was supposed to have been helping her mother and grandmother in the garden. From Hawkins County, Tennessee. From what I just heard, that she was helping plant flowers, went in the house. The mother went in and asked the older children to watch her. Then she went to help put a knee brace on the grandmother, or help adjust it, who also lived on the land in a trailer or something like that. So I know it's been a while since I've done a session, but I want to start out, just sit on the couch, ask you guys to please come through and help. Can you guys let me know, is Summer Wells, the 5-year-old little girl that went missing on June 15th, is she still alive? Is Summer Wells dead? I've got a 6-year-old, and it absolutely destroys my mind to even think about him going missing. I couldn't. There's no way I'd be able to continue living, not knowing what happened. Summer, sweetheart, if you are here, there's a little toy that I built Noah. It's Legos. A little Donald Duck. You're welcome to play with it. I'll also put this little Venus flytrap we got him for graduating kindergarten. want to see if it's got a fly in it. No, it's completely closed, but there's nothing in it. If Summer Wells is dead, what happened to her? I don't have a good feeling about this case, guys. Shanann Watts, can you help connect with the spirit guides of Summer Wells? Where is she? Where is her body? If she is alive, where is she? We need to find Summer Wells. Turn on Xbox.
Scanning FM.
Heard sad. Where is Summer Wells? I'm going to turn it down for a second because it sounded like I heard heaven. Is Summer Wells dead? Who killed Summer Wells? How did she die? Is Summer alive? Guys, please help. Is Summer alive? Who killed Summer Wells? Summer, if you're here, will you come up and touch Donald Duck? Heard something about came to help. I need information about Summer Wells, please. A 5-year-old little girl that went missing on June 15th from Tennessee. Innocent 5-year-old little girl. Whether she's alive or dead, please tell me how to find her body. Where can she be found? Is her or her body in Tennessee still? Did her family have something to do with her death? Shanann, are you there? Shanann Watts, if you're here, will you come up and touch this phone? And think of a word when you touch it. When I count to 3, please touch the phone, okay? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Very good. Offering. Offering. You see offering? I don't know if the camera can see that. Do you mean like a satanic offering? Was she killed as an offering? It's raising. Keep touching it. One more power. Feel free to use the batteries that are in this light. I know you guys can drain batteries sometimes, so Anything that'll help you come across and say what happened to Summer Wells. I just heard Wells. Now I'm interested if there was a name before Wells. Now I come up and said someone. Who is someone? Can you help me get the name of the someone that possibly hurt or killed her? Please, guys, this is very important. Paul?
James. Yeah.
Does her family know where she is? Does her mother, grandmother know where she is? Up. It says up. Destination. Up. Destination. I don't know what that means. I'm asking for her destination of where she can be found. So up. What does that mean? Like up in a tree? Up in a tower? Up in a mountain? Upstairs. Something happened upstairs. Now, from a video I was just watching, I heard that there is an upstairs and a downstairs. And the downstairs is where her room is. And upstairs is where she was supposed to be with her, I think, brothers watching her. Did an accident happen? Was it an accident?